AI takeover? The future of QA jobs unveiled. Rise of the machines. Will AI dominate the QA job market? Is your job at risk? Let's find out. Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out statistics from U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, Indeed.com and other sources on the topic of QA job market forecast and near future. Current state of QA. Before we dive into the future, let's assess the current state of the QA job market. Human testers play a crucial role in ensuring the quality and reliability of software applications. But with the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence and automation, the landscape is rapidly changing. AI's advancements. AI-powered testing tools and frameworks have proven their efficiency. They can execute tests at lightning speed, discover complex bugs, and analyze vast amounts of data. As AI continues to evolve, it poses a significant challenge to traditional manual testing. AI-powered testing tools and frameworks have proven their efficiency. They can execute tests at lightning speed, discover complex bugs, and analyze vast amounts of data. As AI continues to evolve, it poses a significant challenge to traditional manual testing. AI versus human testers. AI's prowess raises the big question: can it truly replace human testers? Many believe that AI's accuracy, scalability, and repeatability make it a powerful contender for testing roles. But on the other side, human testers bring creativity, intuition, and adaptability to the table, qualities AI struggles to replicate. The role of AI in testing. The integration of AI in the QA process has already begun. AI-driven testing can predict potential defects and areas of vulnerability, but human intervention is still required to assess business logic, user experience, and real-world scenarios. Impact on QA job market. As AI becomes more prevalent, some fear that the demand for human testers might decline. Companies may prioritize AI-based testing for efficiency and cost-saving measures. But the debate remains: can AI truly replace the value of human intellect and empathy? The human advantage. Despite AI's advancements, there are areas where human testers excel. Complex exploratory testing, user feedback analysis, and contextual understanding are all domains where human testers thrive. Our adaptability allows us to handle unforeseen scenarios, which AI might struggle to tackle. The collaborative future. The future of QA doesn't necessarily have to be a competition between AI and human testers. Instead, envision a collaborative future where AI empowers human testers to focus on higher-level strategic testing and creative problem-solving. This synergy could lead to unparalleled results. Embrace the change. The key is adaptation. Embrace the change brought on by AI, and use it to your advantage. Learn AI-driven testing tools and methodologies to complement your expertise. Emphasize your human skills and continue honing your craft. The good news is for my fellow testers. Look at these stats. More good news. Growing demand for QA professionals. Software development continues to evolve rapidly, with an increasing emphasis on delivering high-quality products. This has led to a growing demand for QA professionals who can ensure the reliability, functionality, and security of software applications. Here are some tips. Stay top of the QA game. Shift towards automation. Automation testing tools and frameworks have gained significant traction, as they enable faster testing cycles and improved efficiency. QA professionals with skills in test automation and proficiency in tools like Selenium, Cypress, or Appium are likely to remain in high demand. Integration of AI, ML in testing. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, technologies are being integrated into testing processes to enhance test coverage and identify potential issues proactively. QA engineers with knowledge of AI, ML and its application in testing may find more opportunities. Focus on security testing. With the increasing number of cyber threats and data breaches, security testing has become a critical aspect of software development. QA professionals with expertise in security testing and knowledge of OWASP guidelines may find increased demand. DevOps and Agile practices. DevOps and Agile methodologies continue to gain popularity in software development, emphasizing continuous integration, continuous delivery, CI/CD, and collaboration among teams. QA engineers who can adapt to these methodologies and work in cross-functional teams will be sought after. Remote and distributed workforce. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of remote work, and many companies have embraced distributed teams. QA professionals with remote work experience and effective communication skills may have an advantage in the job market. Focus on non-functional testing. Beyond functional testing, non-functional testing areas like performance testing, usability testing, and accessibility testing are becoming increasingly important to provide a seamless user experience. QA engineers skilled in these areas may have more opportunities. Domain-specific expertise. In certain industries like finance, healthcare, or gaming, there may be a demand for QA professionals with domain-specific knowledge to address industry-specific challenges and compliance requirements. Remember that the job market can vary based on location, industry, and economic conditions. It's essential to stay updated with the latest industry trends, continually enhance your skills, and network within the QA community to stay competitive in the job market. Consulting reputable job market reports and industry publications can also provide valuable insights for the near future. The rise of AI in QA brings both challenges and opportunities. While it may lead to some shifts in the job market, it doesn't necessarily mean the end of human testers. By embracing AI and leveraging our unique strengths, we can create a future where human testers and AI work together to ensure software quality like never before. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating exploration. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, happy testing!